thanks for watching. You're looking at a fabulous vintage Lady Sunbeam bonnet style hairdryer. I put it on a little turntable here to show you it in 360 views. This is a wonderful cosmetic vintage piece. Powder blue, of course, you can tell. Solid. I don't see any cracks. I don't see any break points. Good trim, good clasps. And we're going to show you how this works. So undo both clasps like I just did, lift up, and we'll see if it balances on this turntable. Okay. So by design, the top piece doesn't lock until you extend it a little bit, and then under here are a couple lock points. So let's do that all the way. There it goes. And it does balance, that's good. Okay, we backed up a little bit so you can see the whole thing. Underneath is the hood where you put your head in there. And this extends, I think, higher and lower, depending on how tall the person is. If we look over here, we see the controls are mist, wig, which is low, medium, and high. And it's got this really pretty pale blue rose kind of a embossed plastic there with the word Sunbeam there. Good cord. Of course, this is old, so it's not polarized. It is not grounded. We're going to plug it in and see what happens. Are we off? Yep. Okay, if we go to mist, there's a little water tray here if you want to. I have not tried that, but if I go down there, that is wig low, medium, and high. And I believe that's just the temperature because the fan is the same. I'm going to turn this off for a second. We're going to check the heat. Right now I'm showing a house at a comfortable 66 degrees because it's a beautiful spring morning. Let's turn this on again. So this is not going to be one where you're going to burn yourself with, but it's a nice gentle warm dry. And I wanted to show you it working. That's it. Thanks for watching.